Welcome everyone. Today we will be observing two separate professional interview for two highly motivated informatic engineering students from Universitas Amikom Yogyakarta. Because our candidates are applying for different roles at different company, we will conduct this into back-to-back segment. First, we will see Givari Arodi, who goes by Agib, interview for an engineering position focused on back-end web development at ID Web House. Following that, we will transition to Raditya Fauji Putra, or Radit, who is interviewing for a network engineering at IT support position at Inix Indo Jogja. Let's begin our first segment at ID Web House office.
Have a seat, please.
Yeah.
Good morning, with Mr. Agib Iverson.
Good morning.
Thank you for coming in today. I have your CV and cover letter right here. I see your background are from University of Amikom Yogyakarta with diploma 3 in informatic engineering with back-end web development. What really caught my eye is in your background is that you spent a year and a half as a substitute teacher, and you are also very active in the student council in the language division. How was that background to prepare you for a highly technical role like back-end engineering?
While teaching and being in the Others Language Division, they build my communications in the foundations of learning English, like in the classroom management and editor. And for the back end development, we cannot work alone. We cannot work in isolation. We have to trust our front end team. We have to trust anybody in your team. And the most important thing, you have to manage your time effectively.
That adaptability is definitely crucial at here. Speaking of communication, I see you have an impressive list of first place finish in English speech competition, right up to the Regency level.
Yes, I won the Regency level English speech competitions among madrasah twice in 2025, as well as I mixed competitions in 2023 and 2024. Participating in these competitions really make my discipline and my confidence going to the next level. It also helps me significantly when reading English technical documentation for modern web technologies.
Very true. Let's pivot to the technical side. Our engineering role requires a solid grasp of web architecture. What technology are most comfortable with right now?
I am actively focused on Python and PHP, along with the foundational web language like HTML and CSS. My background as a science major in high school gave me a strong foundation in logical and analytical thinking, which I apply directly to back-end problem solving. I also have some experience with visual tools like Canva and CapCut PC for multimedia tasks.
Imagine you develop a PHP update to one of our servers and it caused a critical database error. You are under pressure. How do you handle that situation?
Well then, for the first, I will rely on the objectivity and attention to the detail I develop while serving as a competition judge. You cannot panic. You have to evaluate the situation responsibly. I will roll back the update to ensure that stable operations, then isolate the code to find the root cause, utilizing my problem-solving skills and asking for the teamwork if the issue requires collaborative troubleshooting.
A very level-headed approach. Thank you again. We will be in touch regarding the next step.
Thank you very much for your time, Mr. Gibran.
A strong start for Agib at ID Web House. Now, we shift our focus across town to Inix Indo Jogja, a leading IT training and consulting enterprise. Radit is stepping into the office for his interview. Let's listen.
Welcome to our company, Radit. A very nice day to meet. You are a very qualified candidate for our company today.
Thank you. It is a pleasure to meet you. I am very excited to be here, especially given your company reputation as a leading enterprise in IT training and consulting.
We really appreciate that. I've been reviewing your profile and you have very focused educational path studying computer and network engineering, specializing in computer networking at your University of Amikom Yogyakarta.
During my internship, I managed WordPress website and SEO strategies. However, I also handled their internal IT needs such as LAN installation and routing hardware maintenance.
I see that you also completed digital market mentorship at CV Rumah Mesin last year. That is quite different from purely setting our routers. That is a fantastic dual skill set. Since this is an IT support and network engineer role, you will be handling live network diagnosis. How comfortable are you with network situation and security design?
I am highly familiar with Cisco Packet Tracer. I use it regularly to simulate network and analyze security before applying change to physical hardware.
That is a brilliant way to connect those skills, Radit. Thank you for sharing your protective mindset with us today. We will reach out to you soon.
Thank you very much. I look forward to hearing from you.
And that concludes our mock interview. Both candidates successfully leverage their unique background, Agib utilizing his teaching and communication skills to support his back-end logistics, and Radit highlighting his hand-on LAN installation and creative problem solving. Thank you for watching.